Okay, this is the Edge Negotiation Group's single sign-on portal, which gives you access to all the post-workshop tools and support, other than obviously me, which I just want to remind everyone is your best course of action. If you got questions, call me first. Okay? All right, if not, sign in here. All right, so everybody who signs in should see this opening screen here, and they should see at a minimum these 4 cards for the different apps you may have access to. Now, everyone should have access at least to these 3. All right, so let's go through it because this is the main idea. All right, if you have simple questions about, hey, what did we talk about in the program, or what did he say, start with the Deal GPT. That's your first source of questions and answers, and also strategy questions. If you're working on a deal and you have some questions about advice that you would seek from me, run it through here. Ask your question, give them the scenario, and see what happens. Now, a couple features here. Your saved threads, right, over here. And close that up here. You just ask a question here. Tell me about the wheel of negotiation. Instead of typing it, I'm just going to click on it, or you can type it in the chat bar. And it's going to produce exactly what I would tell you about the wheel of negotiation, along with, oh, it's got a little picture, all the videos from the video library that are associated with this so that you can come in here.
Hi, everybody.
Boom, and you can refresh your understanding at any time, okay? That's the Deal GPT. That's questions, strategy for anything Ultimate Negotiator related. And now, if you've been through the program, then you'll recognize the deal maker. Now, if it's been a while since you've been through the program, maybe you're used to using the PDF version of the planning tools or even the Excel version out there, but now we have the app version, and that's the deal maker. So as you go in here, what I'm going to show you on this very quickly, the main thing is when you sign into this is down here. This is the complete set of training videos that will take you through all of the different steps, all of the different functions within the DealMaker app, and it takes you through the planning process essentially. And I will note that I do have the latest updates in there. It's the first video, so if you've watched the other videos and you want to see it, then go ahead. That's all you need to see on this, because you can watch those videos to find out more. Okay, and then the last app that you would definitely have access to is the DealSpy, which this is about practice. This is the AI simulated negotiation app. All right, so when you go in here, you're gonna be able to practice either text with the AI agent, or you can do voice. You can set up your voice account on a free account to set that up here. And again, more details right up here at the front. Here is a video. Watch this, how to use the app, and it'll take you through all the features. It's pretty simple. This first page, you set up your negotiation, and then the next page is you do it. Okay, so there it is. Practice makes perfect. All right, now if you've been through the other workshop, the next level, which is the Ultimate Negotiation Strategy, then you would also have access to these strategy tools, these AI-assisted strategy and planning tools. And then below that, if you've been to the program, you should definitely have access to the online library. And give you a quick, all this is all of the videos that pertain to the training in one place if you want to refresh your understanding, right? It's the same place that the Deal GPT pulls videos from. But this is all the videos. All right, all in one place. You can see it by category over here. You can close that, open that. It's a simple video library. And if you've gone to a webinar workshop recently, you may also have in here, in your own private library, the video case studies with my analysis. And it will list the programs you'd been to and typically you would have only been to one of these rather than all three. And if you just click on that, just like the video library, but this is your case studies with my analysis. So you can see, come in here and revisit exactly what we worked on in the workshop. Okay, and then beneath that, that's the marketplace, where if you want add-ons or upgrades and any new product listings or whatever, we show up here as well. There you have it. Oh, one last feature. Down here in the corner, I should mention this, is a chat box that comes directly to me. So if you have any questions or issues, or you just have something that you want to talk directly with me about, hit me up on this chat, or obviously send me an email. Either way gets directly to me.